Hey everyone, in this video, we're diving into everything about suno.ai. It's a freemium software that works on credits, and we'll be exploring that in more detail.
Late night drives with the windows down.
We're going to try creating specific songs to test the software's capabilities. Just a heads up, I'm no expert and haven't used it much, so we're figuring this out together. We've got two options for creation, one using a text prompt and another where we choose the words and style of the song, but can't express how we want the song to be.
Let's all play with the sound. We go and it's persistent. In the song is a techno sound with only one bars of a trap singer.
Oops, I made a mistake entering the lyrics, and the result was far from what I imagined. Let's give it another shot and see if we can get a more satisfactory result if we do it right this time. The next two songs didn't turn out great either. Let's try using a prompt this time, maybe giving more room for AI to work its magic.
Through the streets, dancing under neon lights, on a journey, chasing the rhythm of night. Our souls entwined as the beat takes flight, an electrifying pulse keeping us alive. In the echoes of the night, we find our release, lost in the music we surrender. To the beat we go, we go, we go, a never-ending flow. Through the highs and lows, we let the music take control. Yeah, we go, catch up the flow, echoing through the night as we dance and let it glow. When the beat drops, we go out, lose control, feel the rhythm inside. No matter what, we keep pushing on, never giving up. We're singing this song. Play with the sound, let it take you higher. Dance until the dawn, set the floor on fire. 'Cause we're persistent, we won't back down. With a trap singer, we run the
Actually, not bad, I like it. It's not ready to be called a song, but it's a good base. Let's try creating a very specific song in terms of style and lyrics. It might not change much, but it's worth a try. I just noticed that regardless of its length, a song will cost 5 credits, good to know.
In the dark, they come alive. Tiny sparks like stars in the sky. They light up the night with a gentle glow. Whispering secrets only they know. Fireflies dancing in the moonlight. Magical creatures lighting up the night. The shimmering dance, a captivating sight. Fireflies dancing in the moonlight. Don't take on my life. Tiny sparks like stars in the sky. Oh, he lights up the night with a gentle glow. Whispering secrets only they know. Fireflies dancing in the moonlight. Magical creatures lighting up the night. Their shimmering dance, a captivating sight. Fireflies dancing in the moonlight.
Now, let's test creating songs in other languages. I'll be very specific again. Let's try creating a song as if it were written by an Italian singer, like you, for example. Let's hear the result.
Cosa mi trovi di fronte? Yeah, yeah. Le mie parole come note in un'orchestra che sollevano, non c'è limite che mi arresta. Sono forte come un'opera, resisto di tempesta. Niente mi ferma, mi alzo in piedi come un'MC. Sono forte come un'opera, non c'è limite che mi tira giù. Cammino con fierezza, tutta l'Italia lo sente.
It's pretty funny because Gu is a man, but the voice reproduced is that of a woman. In the library, we'll find all the songs we created. In the Explore section, we can find the best songs produced by other users. Let's listen to one with a lot of likes.
Another year is come and gone, and I'm not where I long to be. Snowfall on the city streets, but it ain't Christmas to me. My loved ones gathered round, but there's an empty space nearby. I'm 1,000 miles away, and I'm not by their side. I'm away from home for the Yuletide, missing heaps of snow and grandma's cherry pie. I'm away from home for the Yuletide, seeking mistletoe and missing you by my side. Driving through the city streets on this cold December night, every corner shining bright with a neon Christmas light. Red, green and blue and white, dancing in the evening sky, bringing joy and radiance as the snow begins to fly. I'm away from home for the Yuletide, missing heaps of snow and grandma's cherry pie. I'm away from home for the Yuletide, seeking mistletoe and missing you by my side. Wondering if I should have taken the last flight. The red eye from Los Angeles arrived just on time. It's 3 a.m. and I'm thinking, will my presence be a present I hope will be alright. I'm away from home for the Yuletide, missing heaps of snow and grandma's cherry pie. I'm away from home for the Yuletide, seeking mistletoe and missing you by my side.
With the premium version, we'll have additional features, like creating longer songs than the ones we made. Now, let's check out the billing plans. Objectively, suno.ai is competitive for every target market. $10 is a really low price, while the features for $50 are very rich. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a tutorial on paid suno.ai. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful and engaging, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos and become part of our growing community of curious minds. So, hit that subscribe button and join us in exploring fascinating topics together. See you in the next video.